All right, guys, we're going to do Excel lesson 6 right now. So open up the student starter file. This will appear right here. So we have these 4 different pieces of data that we want to convert these into graphs. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight from A3 to B15. We're going to click on the Insert tab. In this first one, we're going to do a bar graph, okay? So click on this right here. Let's go to, let's do a 3D one. This one should be good. So we have number of students. When you click on it, you can go to chart design. And you can change the color if you want. So if you want to emphasize like May, you could double click May. Actually, you know what? Double click your birth month to emphasize it. Come over here to the paint bucket. You can change color. My favorite color is red. So, I mean, that's how easy it is to make a graph with Excel. It's pretty amazing. So that's our first example. So just put it down here at the bottom. Actually, you know what? Let's put this on a separate page. So down here at the bottom, see this plus sign? Click on that. We're going to double click sheet 1. We're going to write graphs right here. Click on this. Click on your graph. And click on chart design and then go to move chart. And we're going to move chart to our graphs page. Click OK. Let me put this back up at the top. So that's our first graph. And then we're going to go back to assignment 6 data. Okay, let's do the class survey now. So I'm going to highlight from D3 to G13. I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to go to this one. And we're going to do a 3D bar. Okay. The chart title, we're going to change the name of that to class survey. And I want to change the color of these. Before I do that, I want to be in chart design. I like the darker one. Let's make this a little bit bigger so you can see everything. So the yes, I want to be green, and the no, I want to be red. So I'm going to click on the you might have to click around a couple times and then double click it. Hold on. And then go to the paint bucket. I'm going to change the color to green. And then the nose, I'm going to change to red. That way you can see the distinction between yes and no. Okay. Let's move this chart to our graphs. Okay, let's go back to our data now. This time we're going to do a pie. So let's highlight from A20 to B25. I'm going to go to Insert. This time we're going to click on a pie. So click on it. I like this dark one. One thing that's cool about this, you can pull pieces out. So like, let me put that back in. My favorite out of these would probably be pizza. So I want to emphasize pizza. If you want to change the color, I'll change the color to red because it's my favorite color. And that's how you can modify these these graphs, okay? And then we're going to move it to our other graphs page. Click OK. Then we just got one more to do. We're going to do a line graph now for the next one. So go back to the data. This one, so highlight from D18, what is that, E29. Let's go to insert. This time we're going to do a line. I want to do a 3D line. So this is the words per minute. You're gonna want to make this one a little bit bigger so you can see all the dates. You can emphasize a part of it, and I'm gonna go to fill, color. So like, yeah, if you want to emphasize a certain part where there's a lot of growth, let's move this chart. And that's how easy it is to do graphs with Excel. That's lesson 6. See you later.